Hey, what's up everybody? Josh, startedraingutterbusiness.com. Today we're kind of thinking of some things that I struggled with when we first got started. And one of those things is nut drivers for hanging the rain gutters. So when I first started, we were trying to figure out how to, as stupid as it sounds, how to get the screw into the back through the hanger, into the gutter, into the fascia. And I tried, you get the little quarter, like 1 inch long ones from the hardware store, and you're trying to like wedge your drill in above the gutter, and it's hitting the drip edge, and just a nightmare. And then we tried, like bit extensions, tried quite a few different brands, and these are by far the best that I found. The magnet's better, they're always straight. That's one thing with when you have like a 6-inch bit that, a lot of the brands are like have a little bit of an offset to them or a wobble, and it just makes it every job a nightmare. So anyways, these Malco 1/4 inch bits work really well. It just kind of gives you that perfect, we use the 6-inch ones for 5 and 6-inch. Gives you that perfect distance to get your screw in the back of the gutter there. For the 6-inch gutters, I kind of get my screw started and then lift the drill up a little bit and just kind of finish them out that way. They do sell these in 8-inch versions also, which you can use for 6-inch gutters, but I found that the 8-inch ones get just a little bit too long and too far away from your hand, so you just lose a lot of control with them. So I just kind of make do with the 6-inch version, and they work really well. So if you guys need one, we'll put a link in the description below, and we'll see you on the next one. Like, subscribe, have a good one.